guys, I just jammed my finger. It quite literally ripped my entire nail off, but it's stuck at the base. Camera's shaking because I'm still kind of like in pain from it. So I wrapped it up. We went back into the workout class. We finished the class. Now I'm kind of at a loss for what to do. It feels stupid for me to go to like emergency care or urgent care of any kind, but I wouldn't go to a nail salon because that's just not sanitary. It's painful. It's literally stuck at the base, and I want to rip it off, but it's gonna, I think I may pass out if I rip off my entire nail. Probably not a good idea, but let's go home and see what happens. Happy Sunday. I am currently getting some last minute stuff for Tyler's birthday tomorrow. I just grabbed his birthday cake, some candles. I also picked up his gift that I placed an order for. Flowers are far and few between here because of Father's Day. So I think I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow morning after my workout class at like 6 in the morning. And I'm just gonna go to Trader Joe's and grab some flowers. And then I was trying to get balloons, but they're closed, so I may have to do that in the morning as well again. See what else happens. Happy Thursday to all of you. I am playing a little catch up here because the past couple days I haven't filmed face to face like this. I adjusted the camera, it's better now. Monday was Tyler's birthday, so I was just setting things up and celebrating him and was just kind of focused on him all day, and so I didn't want to take out my camera too much and disturb our lovely day that we had together. Tuesday, I recorded absolutely nothing because I was violently sick. Maybe TMI, trigger warning, I threw up I think 5 times on Tuesday. I did end up going to the movies that night, and I really shouldn't have because I was so not feeling great. I think it was just something I ate/consumed from the dinner the previous night. And then yesterday was a lovely beach day. My boyfriend had the day off, and so we decided to hang out at the beach and just hang out with each other. As for today, it's kind of just a content creating day. A handful of things that I need to make and send out. I've been just sending out emails all morning. Just kind of it for today. Film as I go throughout the day. Over the next couple days, it's gonna be a lot of fun, so I cannot wait to share with all of you, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get into the rest of the day. Happy Saturday. I am going to go pick up some things for my mom before I go home next week. We're gonna grab some lunch, maybe run a couple more errands. Yesterday, my boyfriend and a couple friends of ours all went to the Penmar, and we were just hanging out, having some wine, listening to some music, and then we just had a girls' night then afterwards. So yeah, that's currently what's been going on over the past couple of days, and let's see where the day takes us. Happy Sunday. I'm currently waiting for Erica and Juliet at the coffee shop we're going to today. After the coffee shop, we are going to be going to the Magic Market. It's in Pasadena, and it's a metaphysical and I guess magical event. It's been going on since yesterday, and it's to bring in the summer solstice. There's a bunch of vendors and live music and food, and we're just gonna hang out there for a couple hours. It's gonna be 95, 96 out in Pasadena, so it's gonna be warm. I don't know how that's gonna go. We may not be there for super long, but that's okay. We're gonna enjoy the day and see what it all has to offer. We're currently just like doing miscellaneous things and tasks we don't get done throughout the week. So that's why we're at the coffee shop hanging out before we go to the Magic Market. Erica is sadly not going with us, but we'll be meeting a couple other people there. Let's see where the day takes us.